All right, so congratulations on taking your trial. Trust me, you're going to love the software. And I did tell you I was going to make you a discounted offer right after you signed up. So it's going to be short and sweet. The discounted offer is $29 a month compared to $67 a month. So I did set up your trial for $1. It gives you your first 100 engagements. After 100 engagements, if you want to continue using the software, it's going to be $67 a month. That's the current price. That price will actually continue to go up all the way to $197 a month once we finish out all the extra stuff. We're adding so much amazing stuff like engagement buddies, all sorts of good stuff we're actually adding into Engagement Monster AI. You can use everything right now that's built. It will do exactly what I said it was going to do. Trust me, you're going to love it. Once you run out of your 100 engagements, you're going to pay whatever our current price is. Right now that current price is $67. It could be, $97 for the full unlocked account by the time you're done with your 100 engagements, depending on whenever you signed up. Or you can take this offer right now, lock in a price of just $29 a month. So you can totally skip this offer if you want to, just in full transparency, because some of you guys, I know you don't know me, you don't know that I'm not a marketer, you're used to marketers and you're used to people telling you, oh, you won't get this price again, and then they give it again, and you think that's what this is. This is not that. So I just want to be clear and transparent with you so that you know. And if you skip this offer and you come back later and say, oh, John, I want to upgrade now, can I get the $29 a month offer? No, that's going to be the answer. If you want to save money and you want the $29 a month offer, just go ahead and take it right now. If not, just skip it, continue with your trial, and once you use the software and you see how much it helps you and you see how much you love it, then you'll just pay whatever our current prices is if you want to upgrade. All right, so if I were you, I would just go ahead and take this, and then if you decide, hey, it's not for you, just cancel your account. But you're gonna love it. Trust me, you're going to love it. So your best bet and the best thing you can do is just go ahead and take this discounted offer for just $29 a month.